Entering and formatting data in Excel. In this lesson, we will explore the art of entering data, formatting cells, and making your spreadsheets not only functional but also visually appealing. To begin, click on the cell where you want to enter your data. The selected cell will be outlined, indicating that it's the active cell. Start typing your data. Excel can accommodate a wide range of content, including numbers, text, dates, and more. Press Enter or Tab to move to the next cell below or to the right. To edit a cell's content, double-click on it or select the cell and then click in the formula bar at the top of the Excel window. Make your changes and press Enter when you're done. You can copy data from one cell and paste it into others. Use the Copy, Ctrl+C, and Paste, Ctrl+V, shortcuts, or right-click the selected cell and choose the Copy or Paste option. Excel can automatically fill cells based on a pattern. For instance, if you type a sequence into consecutive cells and drag the fill handle, Excel will fill in the following numbers in the sequence. Formatting cells enhances the readability and presentation of your data. Here are some key formatting techniques. Use the font group in the Home tab to change the font style, size, and color. You can also make text bold, italic, or underline it. Excel offers various number formats that you can apply to cells. Select the cells you want to format. Go to the Number Format drop-down in the Home tab, and choose the desired format. Adding borders can help distinguish between different sections of your spreadsheet. You can customize border styles and colors from the Borders drop-down in the Home tab. Align text within cells using the alignment options, left, center, right, in the alignment group. You can also control text wrapping. Enhance visual clarity by changing cell background colors and text colors. Excel provides predefined cell styles that combine various formatting options into one. You can find and apply these styles in the Cell Styles group in the Home tab. Excel allows you to set up rules that change cell formatting based on specific conditions. This is particularly useful for highlighting important data points. To combine multiple cells into one, select the cells you want to merge, choose Merge and Center, or other merge options. By mastering the art of entering and formatting data in Excel, you can create spreadsheets that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing and easy to understand. Data entry and formatting skills are fundamental when using Excel for data management, analysis, and reporting.